You think they worked as hard as we did?
No.
No. No one did what we did to get here right now. Let's go. Let's get it up.
best friends, and that always helps, and our coaches are great, and we played together as a team today, and that's why we won. It feels awesome. I mean, honestly, it doesn't feel like it's undefeated. We just took one game at a time, and